Okay, so how to fix Electrolux C8 problems. This is a hooded type dishwashing machine, as you can see, but there's an error code that shows C8 which you cannot even start the machine. So I'll show you how to reset this machine. Okay, so first you need to press power and the P2 button at the same time, and then it will show you FAC. Then you need to press P2 up until it shows RON, run, whoever he is. Then you need to press P3 up until it shows C8 with a value of 3. So what we need to do is press P1 and get to the value 0. Then you need to press P3 up until it reaches RON, then switch off, then you switch on, and you're good to go. Okay, hope this video helps. Thank you.